there's another case that can happen in polynomials, rational functions, with asymptotes, and not horizontal asymptotes. This time we're going to talk about vertical asymptotes. So remember how horizontal asymptotes, those look like maybe something like this? Well, vertical asymptotes are the same idea, but they go up. So maybe it looks like something like this. So vertical asymptotes happen when a function blows up to infinity. So let's take the same example function we used for horizontal asymptotes. Let's take y equals x plus 1 over x minus 1. Now let's make an xy table. When x is 2, then y is 3 over 1, which is 3. When x is 1.1, then y is 2.1 over 0.1, which is 21. When x is 1.0001, y is 2.0001 over 0.0001, which is some zeros, 20,001. So it's kind of like when x is 1, then y is pretty close to like 2 over, well, it's kind of like 0, which goes to infinity. So we can see this graphing this here. So we're going to graph here can be x is 1, here's 2. So at 2, y is 3. At 1.1, y is 21. At 1.001, 20,001. So it's blowing up to infinity here. Now, you should always check the other side too. Let's make another table of x and y. When x is like 0.9, then we've got y is 1.9 over negative 0.1. So that's negative 19. When x is 0.999, then y is like 1.999 over negative 0.001, which is negative 1,999. So you can kind of see what's happening on this side. It's going down to infinity. So when we plug in x is 1, well, I should make a distinction. When we plug in x is 1, coming from the positive side of 1, the positive infinity. When we go from the negative side of 1, we've got like, this is approaching 2, this is approaching 0 from the negative side, and that's negative infinity. So that's an example of a horizontal asymptote. Sometimes you'll have horizontal asymptotes where they both, like, maybe they'll both go to positive infinity like that, or they'll both go to negative infinity. Like that. In this case, we just had them split up. It depends. We'll talk about more ways to see that in the next video.